Once upon a time, in a sparkling crystal clear lake, lived 3 very special fish. They were the best of friends, but so different. Meet Smarty Splash, the thinker of the group. Always planning, always prepared. Then there's Timmy Thinker. Clever, but so relaxed. He's never in a hurry, not until it's absolutely necessary. Here comes Daring Dash. Fast, fearless, and sometimes a little too daring for his own good. Together, they made quite the team, each one unique in their own way.
The water feels different today. Something's changing.
Oh, yeah, maybe, but why worry now?
Nah, you two think too much. The lake is big, the water is cool, and I am the fastest fish alive.
Speed is great, Dash, but thinking ahead is better.
Ha! Thinking is slow, you think. But me, I swim.
And what do you think, Timmy?
I'll think about that later.
You two are such hard learners. Thinking ahead isn't boring. It's what keeps us safe.
And so, life in the lake went on. The 3 friends played, splashed, and swam just like always, never knowing what was coming. Until... But above the water, a shadow was forming. Unnoticed by most, except for the ever-watchful Smarty Splash.
Wait, something's not right.
Huh? What now, Smarty? Another riddle?
Come on, Smarty. Don't overthink everything. How about another race? Betcha I'll win again.
There's a shadow up there.
A shadow? So? Shadows happen.
Ooh, a scary shadow. What's it gonna do? Gobble us up?
But this wasn't just any shadow. It wasn't moving with the waves. It wasn't fading away. It was waiting.
That's strange. It's not moving like a wave.
Maybe it's just a big leaf?
Oh, no. The big bad leaf is coming for us. Everyone, swim for your lives.
I don't like this. Something is up there.
Maybe it's just a big leaf? Or a sleeping bird?
A big scary leaf. Are we running from leaves now, Smarty?
But before Smarty could say another word, something fell from above.
That was not a leaf.
That's new.
It's probably just a snack. If it's a snack, I call dibs.
But it wasn't a snack. It wasn't just a pebble. It was a warning. That pebble, it didn't just fall. Someone dropped it.
We need to go check up there. Something's happening, and I'm not getting a good feeling about it.
Sounds like a lot of work. Maybe we wait and see?
Go up there? For what? A closer look at the scary pebble? No thanks. I'd rather race.
Are you coming with me?
What if it's nothing? Why rush? We can always check later, right?
But Smarty Splash wasn't waiting. He flicked his tail and swam up toward the surface, alone. The water shimmered as Smarty Splash got closer to the top. The world above was bright, but what he was about to hear would change everything.
Look at all these fish. This is the perfect spot.
Too many for today, but tomorrow we'll bring big nets and catch them all.
Smarty Splash heard it all and hurried back to his friends.
Guys, we have a problem.
Problem? Now?
Whatever it is, it's tomorrow's problem.
No. You don't get it. They're coming. They're bringing big nets. We have to do something now.
But they said tomorrow.
Exactly. Why panic today when we can worry tomorrow?
Because by tomorrow, it'll be too late. Timmy, Dash, please, we have to think ahead. We need a plan.
A plan? But what if they don't catch us? Maybe we'll be fine?
Oh, Smarty, you worry too much. Let's just swim faster if they come. Easy.
What about the fish who can't swim as fast as you, Dash? What about the little ones, the old ones? You don't get it. Once the net drops, there's no way out. We have to leave, now.
Smarty Splash tried one last time to make them listen. He knew what was coming. He could feel it. But his friends, they still didn't understand.
Timmy, Dash, please. We have to leave now. There's a secret path, a small stream leading to a safe lake. Follow me.
Smarty, you always act like a storm is coming. But the sky is clear.
I don't know. What if we leave and nothing happens?
I'd rather be safe than be sorry. I hope you come. I can't stay here. I hope you don't wait too long.
And with that, Smarty Splash turned and swam towards safety, alone. As Smarty Splash disappeared into the secret stream, the lake remained still. But above the water, they were coming.
Today's the day. Look at all these fish. This lake is full. We'll catch more than ever.
Oh no! It's happening for real! Smarty was right. We should have listened.
Wait, what? Where did that come from?
But by the time they saw the danger, it was already too late. One by one they were caught. Timmy, Dash, the others, all trapped.
I still have a chance. Think, Timmy, think. If I don't move, they won't notice me. Then, when no one's looking, I'll slowly slip away. Just stay still. No one's watching, no one's in the water. Smarty Splash was right. We should have planned ahead. Now's my chance.
And just like that, Timmy was free. Daring Dash had believed speed was enough, but when the time came, it wasn't.
I made it. But I should have listened earlier.
At least you're here now, Timmy. That's what matters.
Some rush without thinking. Some wait until it's too late. But the wisest, they plan ahead and find their way to safety. Did you enjoy this story? If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your loved ones.